Good morning, children. We saw in the online class today about the comparison of fractions and addition of fractions. ठीक है ना? So I told you that today I will post a video about ascending order and descending order of fraction. That is ascending order and descending order. Okay, of fraction. Descending order of fractions, right? So what is ascending order? Ascending order, I think you know about it. What is an ascending order? Ascending order is nothing but writing the number from smaller to bigger. That is ascending order, as we have seen already. And descending order is just opposite. That is, we will be writing the numbers from bigger to smaller. Okay, now first, how will you find the numbers? Very easy enough. We are going to do the ascending order of the fractions. Same as I told you in comparison and addition. इसमें भी if they are like fractions, then you don't have any problem. For example, if you have say 3 by 5, 9 by 5, 6 by 5, 1 by 5. ठीक है? Here there is no problem because all your denominators are same. That means it is a like fractions. तो आपको क्या करना है? बस आपको numerators को compare करना है and you have to write. So what is the smaller number, smallest fraction? 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is less than 3 by 5 is less than 6 by 5 less than 9 by 5. It is very very simple. बिकॉज लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में हमें कोई फाइंड आउट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली वी कैन पुट द आंसर. बट इन द केस ऑफ अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस, दैट इज वेयर द डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंट, वहाँ हमें कैसे करना है? दैट ओनली वी हैव टू सी नाउ. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, say you take a number fraction 3 by 8, 2 by 3, 7 by 12 and 1 by 4. Okay, so here if you see, you can see all their denominators are different. तो हम compare नहीं कर सकते. You cannot write in the ascending order, you cannot write in the descending order. Neither you can add nor you can subtract. Unless or otherwise the denominators are same, then only we can do. So now, what will you do to make the denominators same? You have to find the LCM of the denominators 8, 3, 12 and 4. कैसे करोगे? अगेन 2 से करोगे. 4, 3, 6, 2. अगेन 2 से जाएगा. 2, 3, 3, 1. अगेन 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. Again 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM here? LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So LCM is equal to 24. So what is the next step here? Next step here is each fraction में हम डिनोमिनेटर को LCM में, that is 24 में कन्वर्ट करना है. कैसे करोगे आप? पहले 3 by 8 लोगे. 3 by 8, 8 से कौन से नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करने से आपको 24 आएगा? 3. अगर नीचे 3 है तो आपको ऊपर भी 3 से करना है. सो योर आंसर विल बी 9/24. टेक द नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन 2 by 3. 3 से 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ऊपर भी 8 से. सो आपके आंसर आएगा 16/24. नाउ टेक द नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन 7 by 12. 12 how many times 24 goes? 2 times 2. So ऊपर भी numerator भी 2. So you get 14/24. Then you get 1 by 4. How many times? 6 times. Denominator 6 से किया तो numerator भी 6 से करना है. तो answer is 6/24. Now you can see all the denominators are same. That means we have converted the fractions into like fractions. We have converted unlike fractions into like fractions. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट स्टेप. Now we have to find the ascending order, that is smallest to biggest. Which is the smallest one? Sorry, 6/24 9 by 24, 14 by 24, that is third one, and the fourth one is 16 by 24. So how will you write this? 6 by 24 is less than 9 by 24 is less than 14 by 24 is less than 16 by 24. ठीक है, अगर ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शंस में लिखना है तो व्हाट इज 6 by 24, that is 1 by 4 is less than what is 9 by 24, that is 3 by 8 is less than what is 14 by 24, that is 7 by 12 is less than what is 16 by 24, 2 by 3, 2 by 6. So this is the ascending order of the given fractions. I hope you understood. पहले आपको ये देखना है डिनोमिनेटर सेम है या नहीं. सेम है तो डायरेक्टली करोगे जैसे हमने किया. अगर इफ़ इट इज़ अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस, आपको डिनोमिनेटर्स की एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करनी है और हर डिनोमिनेटर को एलसीएम में कन्वर्ट करना है. उसके हिसाब से आप नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. देन एज यूजुअल लाइक फ्रैक्शंस को जैसे हमने किया है वैसे आपको ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. दैट्स इट, वेरी सिंपल. ठीक है, विल डू वन मोर सम, फिर आपको ईजी रहेगा. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेरी क्लियरली. द सम इज आई एम गोइंग टू राइट say 1 and 1 by 3, 1 and 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 6, 1 and 7 by 10. This is your sum in the activity 4 only. ठीक है, this is the book sum. Activity 4 question number 2 में B sum. Okay. अब क्या करना है? अब ये सारे मिक्सर फ्रैक्शंस में हैं तो हमें पहले क्या करना है? वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. आपको आता है कैसे करना है? 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 by 5, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 by 6, 10 1s are 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 by 10. Now you have to see whether it is a like fractions or unlike fractions. All are denominators are different, so it is a unlike fractions. They are unlike fractions. तो हमें क्या करना है? LCM find out करना है. For what numbers? The numbers we have to find the LCM are 3, 5, 6, 10. So let us start with 2, 3, 5, 3, 5. Then 3, 1, 5, 1, 5. Then 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. That is 6 into 5. So LCM is equal to 30. Now what is the next step coming to here? We have to convert each denominator into 30. Okay. So 4 by 3. First we will take 4 by 3. So by which number you will multiply? 10. अगर नीचे 10 है तो न्यूमरेटर भी 10. So you get 40 by 30. Then take the next sum. 7 by 5. Again 5 6 times जाएगा, वो ऊपर भी 6 है. So you get 42 by 30. Then next you get 11 upon 6. So 11 upon 6 means again 5 से जाएगा और ऊपर भी 5. So which is equal to 55 by 30. The next one 17 by 10. So multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. 17 3s are 51, 51 by 30. हो गया. अब now we have made all the denominator same equal to 30. Now we have to compare. So which is the smallest one? ये. This will come first. 42 by 30 will come second. 51 by 30 will come third. And 55 by 30 will come at the last because that is the biggest fraction. Now how will you write? 40 by 30 is less than 42 by 30 is less than 51 by 30 is less than 55 by 30. अगर फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिखना है तो 40 by 30 means that is 4 by 3 is less than 42 by 30 means 7 by 5 is less than 55 by 30 means 11 by 6. Sorry, 51 by 30 means it is 17 by 10 is less than Then the last one is 55 by 30, that is 11 by 6. Okay. Now if we have to write in the mixed fraction. Okay, what is 4 by 3? That is 1 and 1 by 3 is less than. What is 7 by 5? That is 1 and 2 by 5. What is 51 by 30? That is 17 by 10. That is 1 and 7 by 10. And the last one is 1 and 5 by 6. This is our ascending order. Understood? So हमें क्या करना है, लाइक फ्रैक्शंस है तो डायरेक्टली करोगे, अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस है तो एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करोगे. यू विल मेक ऑल द डिनोमिनेटर्स इनटू एलसीएम, देन मेकिंग द एज अ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस, देन एज यूजुअल आप कंपेयर करोगे. ठीक है. अगर मिक्सर फ्रैक्शन है तो क्या करना है, वन मोर एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप आपको आएगा, दैट इज यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट द मिक्सर फ्रैक्शंस एंड इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. बाकी रिमेनिंग स्टेप्स आर सेम. Okay, now I'll give you one example of descending order. How to write the descending order? What is the descending order? Descending order का मतलब क्या है? That is, descending order means you are writing from bigger to smaller, bigger to smaller. Okay, this is also I'm going to give an example from your book only. That is question number 3, B part. This is also in the mixed fraction, that is 2 and 2 by 3, comma 2 and 2 by 7, comma 2 and 1 by 14, comma 2 and 1 by 6. 2 and 2 by 3, 2 and 2 by 7, 2 and 1 by 14, 2 and 1 by 6. So what is the first step? First step is we have to convert this into improper fractions. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8 by 3, comma, then 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 by 7, comma 14 2s are 28, 28 plus 1 29 by 14, comma 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 6. Again, if you see here all the denominators are different, तो हमें क्या करना है, you have to find the LCM. So this is LCM 3 7 14 6. So we'll start with 2 3 7 7 3. Now 3 से करेगा 1 7 7 3. Now we will do with 7 1 1 1 1. ठीक है. Now what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7. LCM is equal to 42. Now what is the next step? We have to arrange this into like fractions. We have to convert this into like fractions. So first you take the term 8 upon 3. So how many times you have to multiply to get 42? You have to multiply 14 times अगर आपको टेबल्स आता है तो. So into 14, ऊपर भी 14 से करोगे. So 8 14 सा 112. Okay, divided by 14 3s are 42. The next 16 लोगे आप, 16 by 7. 7 how many times? 6 times. So ऊपर भी 6. So you get 16 6 are 96 by 42. Then next is 29 by 14. 14 से 3 times जाएगा into 3, which is equal to 9 3s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 87 by 42. And the last one is 13 by 6. Again 7 से करोगे और ऊपर भी 7 से करोगे. So you get 91 by 42. ठीक है. Here we have to write in the descending order, that is biggest to smallest. So which is the biggest one? 96 by 42 is the, sorry, 112 by 42 is the biggest one. उसके बाद 96 by 42 the next one, 91 by 42 is the third one, and 87 by 42 is the fourth one. So how will you write here? 112 by 42 is greater than 96 by 42 is greater than 91 by 42 is greater than 87 by 42. ठीक है. Now if you are going to write in the fraction form, you will write 8 by 3 is greater than 16 by 7 is greater than 13 by 6 is greater than 29 by 14. Okay. If you are write in the mixed fractions, how will you write? You will write 2 and 2 by 3 is greater than 2 and 2 by 7 is greater than 2 1 1 by 6 greater than 2 1 1 by 14. So this is the descending order. This is the descending order of the fraction. समझ गए? And this one is the ascending order of the fractions. ठीक है? So now this is what, very simple, same method. If the fractions are alike then आप directly करोगे, unlike है तो आप LCM निकाल के करोगे. कंपेयर करना है, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखनी है, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में इफ़ यू हैव ट्राइड यू हैव टू ऐड, यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट फॉर एवरीथिंग. द प्रोसीजर इज सेम. वी हैव टू फाइंड द LCM, मेक द डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल. I hope you people understood the concept very well. I will send you few assignments today. आप लिख लेना, 1 or 2 sums I'll send you. आप थोड़ा कर लो, कॉपी में कर लो. Then you can send it to me by tomorrow. ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू, बाय.